Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best gear, gadgets, and tools you need in your life. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best drum pad practice rubber silent on the market right now. The EASTROCK 6-inch double-sided silent drum pad. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned drummer looking to keep the noise down, this compact powerhouse could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's get right into it. The EASTROCK practice drum pad is built with one goal in mind: let you practice your drumming anytime, anywhere, without disturbing your surroundings. At just 6 inches, it's incredibly portable and fits easily into any backpack or gear bag. But don't let its small size fool you. This pad is solid, versatile, and delivers impressive rebound for a realistic drumming experience. First, it's double-sided. On the top side, you get high-density, high-elasticity silicone, smooth, durable, and with a great feel under the sticks. It mimics the tension of an actual snare pretty well, making it a great tool to develop stick control and hand technique. The silicone is also environmentally friendly and odor-free, so no weird smells when it comes out of the package, always a plus. Flip it over, and you'll find the wooden backside, which doubles as a second practice surface. It's slightly harder, making it great for fine-tuning your precision and dynamics. Plus, the wood helps stabilize the pad on flat surfaces, preventing it from slipping around during intense practice sessions. You can use it on your lap, a tabletop, or even mount it to a snare stand. It's ready to adapt to your setup. Whether you're completely new to drumming or just trying to stay sharp between gigs, this pad delivers excellent value. Beginners will love how it provides a forgiving surface to build foundational skills. At the same time, intermediate and advanced players can use it to maintain timing, rudiments, and hand speed in a quiet, controlled way. It's simple. One drum practice pad, that's it. No sticks or extras here, but honestly, this product knows what it's trying to be: an efficient, focused practice tool. If you already have your favorite pair of sticks, you're good to go. One thing that really impressed us is the noise control. It's quiet, really quiet. You can easily use this in an apartment, a dorm room, or even late at night without bothering anyone. It's that silent. And in a world where noise complaints can kill your creative flow, that's a huge win. This pad is also ideal for warming up backstage, in hotel rooms during tours, or just squeezing in a few rudiments before a lesson. It's not trying to replace your snare drum, it's meant to complement it. If you're a beginner looking to start strong, it's a no-brainer. If you're a traveling musician who needs a portable, reliable practice solution, this pad fits in your case and gives you consistent performance. Even educators can recommend this to students thanks to its durability, build quality, and value. Now, there's no denying there are other pads out there, some bigger, some more expensive, but for a compact, dual-sided, no-nonsense silent practice experience, EASTROCK really delivers. It's also an affordable entry point into serious drumming practice. To wrap up, the EASTROCK 6-inch silent drum pad earns its spot as a top contender in the world of practice pads. It's simple, reliable, quiet, and effective. Exactly what you need when it's time to focus on fundamentals without making a racket. If you're ready to level up your practice game, this drum pad is worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next hands-on review. Drop a comment below if you've tried this pad or if you have other favorites you want us to feature. See you next time.